I don't wanna be left behind. This was a friend.
Salamat, Janelle. Isa sa mga institusyon nga nagabulig patukod sa mga komunidad. Ilabi naging para sa mga ubos. Kag nagakinahanglan ng mga gawad kalinga. Ini nga July 21, may pagaywaton sila nga fun run. Kagamo ng pag-istorya naton subong nga aga. Upod naton, we have Head Iloilo GK Events and Communications, Miss Joanna Rabulan. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
And also we have the Program Director for the 2013 Fun Run, Mr. Mervin Ortega. Good morning, sir.
Mayong aga.
And we also have a guest from GK. He is a GK French intern volunteer, Guillaume Cambar. Good morning and welcome to Iloilo.
Mayong aga.
May aga, kabalo mo Gilongo. Alright, before we talk about the fun run, let's talk first about GK. Tell us about GK. Para sa mga wala pa nakaintindi, ano bala ang Gawad Kalinga?
Yes, for everyone, ang Gawad Kalinga in English means to give care. The focus of Gawad Kalinga is to build communities for the poor. And the father and the founding father is Antonio Tony Meloto.
Mervin Ortega. Let's talk about the fun run nga. Amo fun run kitang gusto nyo i-organize the event. And it's on the 4th year.
Yeah, ang Fun Run, this is just one of our major events of Gawad Kalinga. This is intended to inform everyone that Gawad Kalinga is also here in Iloilo City or Iloilo Province, serving our poorest of the poor brethren. So, ang Fun Run, it's information, and at the same time, ano naman siya, fundraising.
Raising of funds.
Yes, and of course, to fund our future events.
May specific ba lang beneficiaryo in Fun Run? Any village, for instance? Or in general na siya mga activities?
For this year, this Fun Run proceeds will be used to for next year's events. Like I don't know if you remember, we had last March we had Bayani Challenge in New Lucena. Next year it will be for around 6 sites siguro.
That's right. We were part of that as well. We went to New Lucena. Tell us din sila makaparegister kung tagpila.
Right now we have registration areas like in SM City near food court. We have the Run Club in Robinson and Plazuela. We also have the Mads Cafe in La Paz Market, Iloilo Society, commercial in Rizal. And ang amon nga registration fee sa 3K, we have 50 for students. For non-students, we have 100.
So then, affordable.
Yeah, affordable. Para man kay, this is for awareness, kaya actually, no? And ang amon nga 6K, 100.
Right.
For all na, either you're a student or non-student. Ang 12K namon, it's 150.
Right.
Let's
talk to our volunteer here. No? Your nickname is Gito, I was told. Right. Why did you choose to volunteer of all the institutions and of all the countries in the world? Why did you choose GK?
Because we have the opportunity to meet Tito Tony Meloto in France with our association in Mondial ISA, and he became our godfather. And make us very proud, because it's a great thing to help people all over the world, and that's why we chose Gawad Kalinga and Filipino. And it's the best experience of my life and for each member of my team.
So, I hope you're enjoying so far. Stay here.
So much. It's more fun in the Philippines, I think. That's why.
Is this fun run also being done in your country as well?
No.
So this is somehow unique or
there is a kind of event, but not like this, and I think it's an incredible project, and that's why everybody have to go to this fun one. Lahat nata, everybody.
Dapat na mag-join na. Lahat nata, no? Ma'am, I'll give you a chance to invite our kapamilya to participate in the fun run this coming Sunday.
Alright, sa tanan nga mga kaabiyanan namon, pamilya, tanan kamo nga mga members ng pamilya, and everyone who are still advocating and supporting Gawad Kalinga, we invite you again on July 21, this Sunday, 5 a.m. kilitanay kita sa SM City, and ang inyo nga 100, ang inyo pagbakal sang amon nga singlet. Kali, by the way, this is the singlet, no? And salamat gid kami kay makadtog gid it's going to go a very long way. And we thank you in advance for the annual 4th GK Fun Run. And thank you also to ABS-CBN, who has been and will always be a partner of Gawad Kalinga fun runs in Iloilo
It's
City.
our honor. Libre in it with the registration. Is that our baklang pag separately?
This is baklumugit niya separately, no?
Anong route ka sa aton nga fun run from SM City going to?
We are for 3K, from SM City going to Joey Pepperonis, ang stoplight, ang
That's right.
commonly known as stoplight sa UP, no? Then pabalik sa SM City. For our 6K from SM, towards ang going Mega World, dala sa may top, no? Then
Pabalik this level.
then balik naman siya passing through going UP man na area, then passing through Ateneo.
Alright,
Then balik sa SM. Ang 12K na to malililang gamay dito pakadto sa may Sambag sa San Agustin High School. Then mabalik sa Joey Pepperonis, then pass by Ateneo, then SMC.
Alright, I'll give you the last word because since you're new here in Ilonggo. Alright, let's not necessarily about fun run, about volunteering for causes such as this.
Okay. About volunteering, so salamat everybody. Salamat all the Filipino people. Salamat in GK, Village, Cacho, Peco, Assumption. For all my Tito, my Tita, Tito Eric, Mami, Tita,
Tito ka na rin, ha?
everybody, all my team, and I love you, Palangataka Pinoy. And
Invite them to volunteer for GK.
Lakat Nata, everybody have to go to the fun one. It's the best event of the year, I think. I will be there, so it's a fun one. I will be there because I'm fun and I will win. So Daddy Lakat Nata.
You will win, ha? You're issuing a challenge to the Ilonggos. I'll be there too. Ayan, mga kapamilya, ayan po, join the fun run this coming Sunday. Magabalik pa ang Sikat Ka, Iloilo.
I don't wanna be left behind.